Hello and welcome back to our channel. Split ends are a recurring issue. They make your hair look dry, frizzy, and damaged. Moreover, your hair stops growing when you have too many split ends. Is meticulously searching and cutting off split ends strand by strand, or chopping off your hair the only solution? Of course not. Therefore, welcome our brand new series. That is, 3 natural ways to remove split ends at home. In this series, we will share 3 easy methods that will help you in getting rid of those annoying split ends. Let's start with the first one, that is, use of coconut oil. For this remedy, you will need 2 to 4 teaspoons coconut oil. Now what you have to do is take some coconut oil in your palm and apply it to your hair from the roots to the tips. Make sure you apply enough oil to the tips. After application, clip up your hair and cover it with a shower cap. Then, in the morning, shampoo your hair to get rid of the excess oil. Towels dry your hair. Do not use a hairdryer. For best results, you have to repeat this method once in every 2 to 3 days. Now the question is, how and why this remedy will work? So, here is the answer to the question. Coconut oil is a brilliant moisturizer and a natural healer. It contains medium-chain fatty acids that enable it to penetrate your hair easily. It moisturizes and nourishes your hair and is great for preventing and repairing split ends. In our upcoming video, we will share our second home remedy to remove split ends with you. So stay tuned. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.